Hi guys. Today I just wanted to talk to you, ask a question, a big question. Are Zimbabwean men not romantic? Cause I told you before, I am with a Zimbabwean man for it's been almost what, 10-15 years now. We have two lovely kids, and at the beginning when he was trying to date me and everything, he was so romantic. Oh, I remember even my mom used to tell me this was like a Romeo and Juliet kind of life situation. I'll be in my bedroom and just hear someone calling me down by the window, and he would be holding flowers, and my mom would open the door and he would come and give me flowers. It was so romantic. He would take me out for a drive along the seafront, at the beach, and he would take me out dinner. He would buy me jewelry. It was oh my god. But when he finally got me, yeah, and now we have two kids, I think it's just why do I have to make the effort anymore? Don't you know you have to keep on feeding the flame, you know what I mean? So on Valentine's Day, a Zimbabwean hubby came back from work because he worked night, and he was like, hi. I was like, hi. And I was like, hello. He was like, hello. I was like, so this guy doesn't get it, right? So I was like, happy Valentine. He was like, oh it's Valentine. Oh my god. Happy he said what? Happy Valley with this Zimbabwean kind of slang or accent. I was like, thank you. And I'm waiting. Well, obviously he had nothing to offer me. So I went to work because we kind of swap. He comes in, I goes out. And I went to work, came back in the evening, and guess what I found? I found chocolate, a bottle of wine, and he was like, happy Valentine, with a card. And when I came back from work, I did get him a present as well. Yeah, that was it. But it's not the same anymore. It used to be he used to be on point, dinner, flowers, a nice present. So I made a story on my Instagram, Zimbabwean men not romantic. And some of my friends who date Zimbabweans also came and comment oh my god, I thought it was only me who noticed that. And they were like, oh, they just not into that thing. It's not just on Valentine's Day, even on the normal life, they just not into that jolly cuddly kiss here, and they just not too interested. And I'm asking myself, is it just Zimbabwean that live in the UK, or is most Zimbabwean men who behave like this, they don't have this kind of romantic thing in them? Please tell me, because I am really confused. And my friends are like, oh yeah, the one that also dates Zimbabwean, and they're yeah, Zimbabwean, don't expect. They will do that at the beginning, and then it'll die. They're not some Nigerian men, because I know Nigerian men. I haven't dated Nigerian men, but I hear a lot of good thing about Nigerian men. So good for you guys for taking care of your women and be romantic. I'm not saying Zimbabwean men don't take care of their women. It's just they there's no kind of finesse, softness, romance into it. So I wish we could have it more, but me, I think I kind of like learn to accept it like that. It just makes me laugh now. Back in the days, like I'll really seriously get angry. But he's a lovely guy. He's an amazing father. He works really hard. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But please, I would really appreciate if like he could make an effort time to time, or Zimbabwean men, or my friends, partners who are Zimbabwean, to also make an effort. So anyway, please, if my experience with a Zimbabwean man not being romantic, and my friends who are here who also date Zimbabwean feeling the same way, please tell us that the ones back home are like better. Maybe we should come there to Zimbabwe or Harare or whatever, find real romantic Zimbabwean men there, because those here, it's very questionable. So yeah, that's all. Happy Valentine's Day. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, because that motivate me to come and talk to you more about everything. So yeah, I love you. Bye.